Let's explore what makes our program unique and attractive to aspiring IT professionals. Our mentors conduct interactive discussions, case studies, and practical projects. You'll gain invaluable practical skills that will set you apart from the competition in the rapidly evolving IT job market. We also focus on strengthening your core business attributes, such as project management, business communications, group dynamics, and organizational skills. Our program seamlessly integrates technology. You'll also explore the social, ethical, and policy dimensions of technology in today's business and society. Whether your passion lies in web and mobile computing, security, cloud computing, data management, software systems development, artificial intelligence, or systems administration, our program offers the essential learnings and skills to thrive in these areas. The possibilities are endless. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology program equips graduates with the ability to apply computing knowledge, solve problems, collaborate effectively, and uphold professional and ethical responsibilities. Our program follows a structured teaching methodology, instructional hours through the university campus, where lectures are delivered in person, or via our learning management system. Join Texila American University today, and pave the way to a bright future in IT.